Hey you guys, happy 1st of December. I am so excited. I'm gonna be doing a cocktail recipe every Friday of December. So today's first cocktail is gonna have a special guest making it with me. Here she comes, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm back. We have another guest.
Mom is here and oh gosh, and this is Mom's dog, Maxwell. So we're gonna make a cocktail today. Okay, put the dog down. We love Prosecco and champagne. So we're gonna do a Christmas mimosa to start this month of December off. Also, the month of December, I'm gonna do a video every single day this month to get into the holiday spirit. This video is part of a collaboration with my friends Clarrisa and Annalisa. So check out their channels and the playlist that will be in my description box. So let's get this drink going because it's gonna be really good, I know it. So first, we're gonna rim the glasses with some sugar. So let's just put some lime over the top so that we can get that sugar to stick. And this is gonna be so cute and festive.
Cute, very cute.
Oh yes, perfect. I should be having my assistant doing this.
I might break something.
Okay, pretty rims. All right, so in our Christmas mimosa, there's gonna be triple sec, cranberry juice, and the coolest invention known to man, edible sparkle dust. So a friend of ours had this in a cocktail, and now I'm gonna put it in every single cocktail that I ever make because it makes it so pretty. So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of triple sec. We're gonna do 1 ounce of cranberry. This is full. Okay, let's put in this really awesome glitter dust. Let's see, so just tap in that, makes it so nice and sparkly. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's put a little more on that one. Okay, top it with the Prosecco. Oh, I don't want it to overflow. Pretty, so festive. We love these little mini bottles. We were on a little quick story. We were on a train ride and they sold these, and we had a few rounds because the train was taking longer than it should.
There was train traffic. I've never heard of that.
That was over Thanksgiving vacation. So let's try these out. A little Christmas mimosa. Cheers.
Good.
Delicious.
Yeah.
All right.
No complaints.
All right, Mom and I are going to enjoy our Christmas mimosas. Make sure you check out all my videos this month. They are going to be so fun. And I'll definitely have to get Mom back to do some more cocktail videos on Fridays. So, cheers.